No.
5 people. Also wir haben 8 Monate.
500.
Mal 4 also mal 4
4
Wochen, mal 3 Touren
3
pro,
Touren, mal 5 Leute.
im Durchschnitt, sagen wir mal.
480
Also 500
people.
Leute.
So
Ja.
around 500 people per year.
Naja, das sind jetzt nur die 8 Monate. Und dann hast du im Winter halt noch
Yeah.
so diese Winterspaziergänge und so. Also,
Yeah, and so that's just for 8 months, September, March till October.
Excuse me?
And then in winter
Salt?
time,
Yes, they have to
there are
have
fewer
salt.
people and smaller length of
Always.
So this is for the
Yes,
summer.
salt is
And then in
is
winter,
a
smaller
stone, a
tours,
salt
maybe
stone,
another
which
100.
is always available for the donkeys.
March till October.
Because every organism needs salt.
Yeah,
Yeah.
all summer,
They like
spring.
They must have it. It's not about liking, they must have it.
соль.
Another question, please.
Ist dann Salzstein. Ja, genau.
30 years.
So you buy them as a 10 kilo stone,
Oh, no.
and it becomes smaller and smaller with the time.
So you have your web page.
They lick on it. Yeah. Well, if your donkeys never get salt, they die.
Another question. You have your web page, right?
Uh-huh.
But I saw you also on the web page of the Tourism Authority of Brandenburg.
Aha.
You'd have to do anything to get
Was ist denn
there?
das? Reiseland Brandenburg oder was?
Brandenburg.
Ja, da muss man Geld bezahlen.
Muss man, so
Das
do you
ist-
know how much you have to pay? Because you're on
I
there.
have
saw
to,
you.
yeah, I have to pay like 100 or 200 euro a year.
Uh-huh.
So every time I think I should cancel it, but I leave
Do
it.
you get reservations from that, or mostly
I don't
from
know.
your, you don't know? You don't
No
monitor?
tracking, no
I
monitoring.
don't care about it, actually.
Because I saw
I'm
two-
always full, so it's not important for me how people know it, because I'm now full up to October.
You already
So-
have reservation. You have reservation.
Yeah,
already.
yeah.
But how you will register? You keep your.
People contact me,
So
want to have a tour on, and then I
Email.
yeah,
email.
mostly email, and I confirm per email, and they have to pay 50 euro Anzahlung.
Advance deposit, yeah.
Deposit in advance.
Uh-huh. So, and if they do that, it's booked.
but how you keep the logging? Record.
Wie?
Wo schreibst du das auf?
Also ich habe einen Kalender.
Calendar.
A,
Notebook.
a very normal, no, nix notebook, a very normal
also
paper.
Notebook ist nicht Laptop,
Ja,
sondern
okay.
Like a calendar, a written
Paper
paper
calendar.
calendar.
Yeah. So, and if you were
Very simple.
the tourist, you would now clean your donkey, and the donkey would be very happy to be cleaned.
They love coming.
They love it.
Training.
And afterwards you would put on the saddle, and I would show you how to do this, and so on. And then you would put the stuff on the donkey, and then you would start walking. Emmy, toll. So she will die soon, I guess, because she is very ill. But up to now she doesn't.
She's very happy.
If she dies, where you take her?
Well, she would be put into sleep and dead here, and then you have was heißt also ne, Sekanim, kennt ihr das? Also es gibt die offizielle deutsche Tierkadaververwertungsanstalt. Sagt mal.
Official institution. Yeah.
Der,
It's an institution that manages animal cadavers, and it would be brought to that institution.
yeah, you have to call them, and
You
they.
will not just dig and bury there.
I can't do it here.
Yeah.
I have done it actually, but it's illegal.
It's illegal.
Yes, it's illegal. You are not allowed to bury big animal cadavers somewhere. So you have to order
And you
a special company, and they come and carry the dead animal.
pay for this?
Usually you don't have to pay, because they use this animal for, I don't know, dog food or soap or I don't know. But maybe I have to pay if she's put asleep because and to dead, because this is poisonous, and you can't use it then.
You don't put shoes, yeah?
I usually don't.
Thank you very much. I think any last questions?
Ja, warte mal, wo sind denn hier die Shoes? If the donkeys need shoes, they get shoes like that, actually.
Plastic one, yeah?
This is much better than conventional shoes.
11 size,
Yeah, you have to find the right size then. So this is the modern form of
Yes. We put to donkeys iron shoes.
yes, but it's much more expensive to do it.
What is with donkeys in Kyrgyzstan?
We only use donkeys for luggage, load, for trekking.
Yeah, yeah.
Horses and luggage.
So Dong, Emmy.
60 kilos.
Thank you.
Amazing job. Very good. Fantastic.
Ja, herzlichen Dank.
Hardworking woman.
Ja, gerne.
Ja.
Thanks.
Genau.
You will be
Ah,
broadcast
das
on Kyrgyz TV.
Ah.
Oh my god.
So you won't tell them that I bury donkeys illegally somewhere.
No. Like, I'll cut that part.
Du schreibst mir dann einfach per Mail